this one right here. So you'll make me. Oh, yes. 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 Okay. Okay. Like that. Like this. Yes. Yeah. Or, yeah. This is the closest one. Okay. Yes. Thank you very much, sir. My man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Thank you very much, buddy. I appreciate it. You are very kind. You are very kind. Buddy. You know, buddy. No, got this one like this. Yeah, so maybe yes, right? Oh no, let me see. Does it go right here? Oh no. Let me see. Because this will not go inside here, is it? No. How am I gonna do this one? Oh, yeah. I got it. Yeah, like that for now. For right now. Yeah, for right now. Yes. Yeah, for right now. Yeah. Yeah. So for right now. Okay, now I'm gonna put one on the I hang it on the pipe over there, and then I come back and tie this up. Oh God. Yes. Yes. Like that. Now we got it. Now to tie this up. I'm gonna tie it up now. Because it looked like everything went fine over there. I'm gonna tie this up, okay? Yes. Okay. I gotta make sure. I'm sure what I'm doing. Oh no. Yes. Oh, okay. I need to make sure I'm sure that's this in the middle. So, to show that is working now. That is gonna work now. Yes. Goes like that. Now, this should not come out at all. I don't even know what's the trick for this. I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. I think I broke one before. Not knowing exactly how much to tie it up. Maybe as it's running, I could continue tying it up later as it's running. You know, maybe later I'll continue tying it up as it runs. But so far this is hanging right here. So this hanger did not do too much good for this. But I already got that over there. So I think I'm gonna be fine for right now. Yeah, because I think I could bring this over here. Later I think I could bring it over here and see if I could do it from here. But in the meantime, let me tie it down a little bit there. Finish that one there. This like that right now. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Okay. This one. see. I hope it shows the hanger right here. Right here. I meant to show it, but I completely forgot it. Well, this is like this. I put this hanger on, and I put this bolt right here, and I went and tie it up, right? And then I put the hanger, and then I put the bracket over here, this bracket, and then I put a bolt like this, and I put it right here like that. And it's the one that is holding right there, but this is only for right now until I get to put the other one back on, the other type of hanger on it right now, only because I need to go somewhere, and I gotta fix. I gotta make sure it's put on and tied up. Okay, so now the tailpipe is hang right there. The tailpipe got hang right there. That's the tailpipe. Okay, I'm going back. I'm going back over there on the other one. Put it loose because with the purpose of me having a plate on it, so to be able to maneuver around with it. So now I was able to do it over there, from over there. Now I'm gonna tie it up over here. And I guess I'm gonna just wait and see what happens. If I don't see no air coming out, maybe I'll be fine. If I see air coming out, maybe I need to tie it up a little more. So I'm gonna start the car up and see if there's an improvement for right now. Only for right now. Okay, I'll be right back. There's a lot of improvement, but I could still feel the air coming out on both sides, So my best bet is to tie it up a little more probably. loosen this up a little bit just to move it up. Just to move it up a tiny bit. It's okay now over there, so I hope it's okay. I hope it's fine. It looks like it could be fine now. Air coming out, but I don't know if it's gonna be any good or not, but we'll find out as we go. Much better. I just don't wanna. I don't wanna overdo it. I got this finger, that finger. Okay. We're done with it. This is temporary, until I come back, because I gotta change that muffler. I gotta get a different muffler than that one. It is right there right now. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share, give it likes. Right, likes are for free, comments are for free, everything is free. All right, thank you. Appreciate it. All right, bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.